Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 14, the Paddocks, Grange of Lindores. If you are looking for a semi-rural location or a quieter lifestyle, this could be the property for you. Recently renovated and recently extended, so not only are you spoilt with the space, but also the standard. It is immaculate. The attention to detail throughout is just incredible. So it's a 2-bedroom extended bungalow. You've got plenty of off-street parking. You've got a low main garden into the rear, 2 bedrooms, family bathroom, WC, utility, and a fantastic open plan living, kitchen, dining space that has all of your integrated appliances and a really contemporary finish. Plus, wait until you see the views with this property. Enough teasing you, let's head inside, start the tour, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 14. Straight away you can see just how much outdoor space you get with this property because you have ample off-street parking, so you get plenty of vehicles, and then you do get access right round the side into your garden. You can obviously close that off if you wish, and there is also a further door at the side if you've been perhaps out walking the dogs or out walking yourself. You do have your own access point at the side, but this is the main entrance into your property. You have all new windows and doors throughout, and we have gone for the black accents. As you can see, that theme does also continue throughout the home as well because it is a really contemporary finish. So this is the front of your property, but what I want to show you is you have this fantastic countryside outlook, which you can actually see from one of your bedrooms as well as the kitchen window. So this is your outlook across, and then this is your property just here. So enough teasing you, let's head inside and we'll start the tour. So we enter into your main entrance hallway, and straight away you can see the standard that you get with this property. You've got quality solid wood doors throughout. You've got your downlighters. It's just an immaculate property. So starting on our left, we have your 4-piece modern bathroom. A lot to talk you through in here because it is just amazing. So firstly, you have your freestanding bath. Set behind it is just a perfectly positioned panel feature. You have your WC. Yes, that is an integrated TV, which is just ideally positioned for sitting in the bath, relaxing, unwinding, watching the TV. You then have a large separate shower enclosure, rainfall waterhead, and you've even got a little nook there just for putting your bits and pieces. And then a large wash hand basin with vanity storage underneath and then further storage above. So really practical storage solutions while also getting an immaculate 4-piece bathroom. Again, you've got your downlighters, you've got shutters as well, which are also in your bedroom, so they're just the perfect finishing touch. But isn't this just incredible? Fantastic standard. You can just imagine unwinding at the end of the day in there. You then have one of your bedrooms, which is a fantastic size, really spacious. So you have plenty of area for all of your bedroom furniture. You do have integrated wardrobes, so plenty of storage. But look at all the space that you get with this bedroom. It is just incredible. And then what I love is when you're sitting at your dressing table getting ready, you do have countryside views. You can obviously open the shutters if you wish, but it's just great having that outlook. But you really are spoilt with the size of the bedrooms with this property. So that's one bedroom. Then we come across to bedroom number 2. Again, a fantastic size, plenty of space for all of your bedroom furniture. Again, you have your shutters, and then again, really practical with your integrated wardrobes. But 2 fantastic sized bedrooms, a beautiful bathroom, and then a fantastic addition because behind this door just here, we have a downstairs WC as well. So that is really practical if you do have guests over, they can just nip in here. So you just have a wash hand basin and WC. And what's a nice little touch is you do have a sun tunnel just to give you a bit of extra light. And then another practical option with this property is you do also have this kind of boot room utility area. So actually behind these sliding doors is there a sink situated in here, and then laundry facilities. So it's all behind, so it's hidden away. And then this one you've got like coats and shoes and boots. Ideal if you do take the dog out, perhaps you can just come in the side door and then you can try and contain the mess in this area. So it's a fantastic room and it keeps out of the main kitchen space. But again, you've got the quality doors, your glazed inlets. Love that space, really practical. And then I really was saving the best till last. This is incredible. It really does speak for itself. There is a lot to talk you through with this room. So you have your open plan kitchen, living space. Isn't this just amazing? And it is just as big as it looks on the camera. It's a fantastic size. Look at this. Heart of the home, an incredible space, family, friends, guests, or even just yourself, just unwinding. It's just incredible. Look at that for a wow factor. You've got two great big skylights as well, so we're letting plenty of natural light flood in. You've got downlighters throughout. And then actually within your kitchen, you have plenty of cabinet and worktop space. So really is practical while looking absolutely beautiful as well. And then you've got those great big sliding doors. And you'll maybe notice it is actually open. And it is so peaceful here. You can just hear the birds. It's just amazing. So talking you through the kitchen, you have your integrated hob. Now your extractor is actually situated in there, so it actually takes it away, so you don't have to have an extractor above because it is built in there, so that's a fantastic solution. You've got plenty of storage, and within each of the different cupboards and cabinets, they have like smart storage solutions, for example. You've got obviously your integrated oven and cooking appliances. You then have all of this worktop space here. You have integrated dishwasher here. You obviously have space for freestanding fridge, freezer, and even like these, for example, you pull them out and they have all the shelves built in. But isn't this just amazing? You've got space for 4 bar stools for sitting around the great big island. But it's just incredible. Plenty of plug sockets as well. And then you've got obviously the black accent with the sink. And then even when you're standing here doing the dishes, you have countryside view. It is just incredible. And the lights in here as well are on a dimmer switch, so you really can on an evening just set the mood, lower the lights, and just kind of let the evening come in through the skylights, which is just incredible. But isn't this a fantastic space? I really hope by now you're imagining yourself coming in here and just really taking advantage of this living area. I could honestly stay here all day, it's incredible. And then we've obviously got these fantastic doors that take you out onto your composite decking. As I say, they've been open this whole time. It's so peaceful here. And then you step out. So you've got just a little bit of area around there. So you could put storage if you like. So we've got gravel along there. And then you come up and then you've got this composite decking. But this is the property. Look at that extension. It is just beautiful. The same standard as what you see inside has been continued outside. And then just coming along, you have this down ramp, you have a drying green area. That was the door that takes you into the utility space, and that just takes you right to the front. If you perhaps do have pets and you want to obviously close it off, you could easily put a gate at some point to make it fully enclosed if you wish, or you can just leave it open and we can just roll into the countryside. But you've got a great plot size, and then this low maintenance garden, and it is so peaceful. So let's do a recap of number 14. So that was the personal property tour for 14, the Paddocks, Grange of Lindores. As you have just seen, you are getting an absolutely immaculate 2-bedroom, Extended Bungalow. Not a thing that you need to do. Just move in and really start taking advantage of all the incredible features and the idyllic location. 2 bedrooms, fantastic size, ample storage, a 4-piece modern bathroom, an additional WC, a utility room, and then this incredible open plan kitchen, living, dining space with all of your integrated appliances, really contemporary, high standard, stepping through your patio doors onto your low maintenance composite decking, an area where you can just unwind, listen to the birds and look at the views. Really is a beautiful home in an ideal location. So if you are looking for a quieter life, or if you are looking to be semi-rural, this is the property for you. But what's great with Grange of Lindores is you are just 2 miles from Newburgh, where you have a co-op for convenience items, you have further little shops, cafes, bakeries, you also do have the Newburgh Primary School. You also can get to the M90, so if you're looking to get to Perth, Dundee, etc., you can do that within 30 minutes or so. Ideal as well if you are looking for commuting via train, you can either head to Ladybank, where there's the train station and further amenities, or head into Cupar, where there's an additional train station and also your catchment for a high school, Belbaxter. So yes, you're getting a quieter life and you're in a semi-rural countryside location, but you still have plenty close by. So you really are getting the best of both worlds while getting this absolutely gorgeous home. If you'd like to get more details, click the link, message me directly or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.